Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, happy National Barbie Day. Okay, I'm freaking out. I didn't even know it was Barbie Day today so at my local PX, well, the PX is something on an army base. It's like a Walmart for us. I don't really know. So they were doing this thing where if you answered questions like about Barbie, you get it right and then you get these bags. So I got 2 of them. And, well, my mom went first, and she got one, and then after school, I went, and I got one, and since I answered so many questions correct, I got a Barbie doll, and what the heck, I thought, since it's National Barbie Day, might as well buy one. Well, actually, this is Skipper, her sister, but they're related, so I feel like Skipper should get some clout, whatever. All the Chelsea stuff is too expensive. Skipper, we need some Stacy sets. Though, so if anybody works for Mattel, which is the people who make Barbie, make more Skipper sets, please. I mean, Stacy sets, please. Please. Alrighty. So, without further ado, let me show you what's inside of these bags. And what are these? So, let's go. Okay. So, let's do this. So, I think we should do the bags first, because these are all stuff that they put in. So we'll do this bag first. Okay, let's see. So first we have like a Chanel mask. Don't think it's real, but it's still pretty cute. And then we have a like a shampoo and conditioner thing. A cleanse and condition. They're super cold. I think this is for your hair. I don't know. Next, we have some more packets. We have some Super Cream and some Wash Away Wonder. I guess they're giving these products away because they're all the same brand. What else? Yep, another brand of this. This is a D-Fresh. Not really sure. It's like these sample things or whatever. But then, at the bottom of the bag, we have some, perfume. First thing I'm excited about. Okay. So it says not for sale. This is definitely me. Oh, here's the cap. Alrighty. Smell test. Oh, that smells really good. Hold up. That smells amazing. And I've been needing perfume, so this is great. And then we have, what is this? Some more of that Diva stuff, or Deva. What the heck? I don't even know what that is. And then we have some highlighter. Shimmer. It's just some shimmer. Oh, that's pretty cool. I like it. And then, apparently, I didn't know that, sorry for the background noise, but I didn't know this was a good brand. Sorry about that. But I did not know this was, like, an important brand until my mom told me. It's, like, some lipstick. Anastasia. It sounds French. I'm filming right now, but I'll Google it later. Looks pretty cool. I don't wear lip stuff. I only wear mascara. Well, now I started wearing mascara. Before I didn't. So we'll put that, and we'll put these stuff back in there. Definitely going to use this perfume, though, for later. I'm claiming it. Mom, I'm claiming the perfume before you take it. Next bag. This one has some different stuff. So we have a black Chanel mask. Another one of those conditioner. That thing. Same. Oh, okay. We have something vanilla. If you do not know me, I love vanilla. If you do know me, you know how much I do love vanilla. It's so fun. Okay, let's see. Okay, that came out. That's not vanilla. What the heck is this? That looks like vanilla. vanilla. This does not smell like vanilla. I'm disappointed. I thought it was vanilla. It's like a tester perfume or something. Then we got that curl stuff. And then another one of these Anastasia. So this bag, only one success. Last bag of two. Kind of disappointed. I kind of wish there was some different stuff in each. And I thought this was vanilla. It tricked me. My mom can have everything except that last perfume. Anyways, let's open up this doll first because it's a smaller doll. This is the doll I won because I'm big brain on Barbie. All right, that was easy, more than I expected. So it's like a bathing suit doll. Oh, let me get all this stuff off her. Yeah, this is like how people should package their Barbie dolls, with not all that stuff. I mean, I get a little of the... What are you doing, dog? I get like a little bit of stuff to keep their hair looking pretty so the kids will be like, Mommy, I want that. All that stuff. It works, okay? I'm gonna grab some scissors. Alrighty, so we are back with some scissors. These are actually sewing scissors that I got for Christmas, I think, or my birthday.
It's all about them.
Christmas. Alrighty, so let's...
The dogs are digging in the trash.
Ooh, fun.
I'll be back.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Love you. Just my dad leaving. Okay. So I got all of that stuff, and there's not really much to review on her. Basic, doll. Not too interesting, but still, she can definitely be like a mom. Any like doll Barbie really helps to be a mom. Oh gosh, her arms are wiggly. Hold up, like her wrists bend. Okay, that's definitely interesting. What else can you do? Alright, I overestimated the legs. Anyways, now I smell like a big flower. But let's open this one because I'm most excited for this. I really want this set right there. They weren't selling them at the PX today, so I was like, okay. I don't have any Skipper dolls. I got one when I was on my 10th birthday, but then I lost her, so I don't have any more, but I had the Skipper set. So let's cut her free of this plastic chamber she's in, even though she's made of plastic. I could care less what the heck she's made. Actually, sorry. I phrased that wrong. I could care less because if it was made out of cardboard, then she wouldn't be a good doll. So I do care what she's made out of. I don't care what she's packaged with. Okay, so here is Skipper. She's in her like pajamas. She got this really cute like high pony going on look. She has these like sleep mode pajamas and then these like sandals there. And then that's pretty much it for her. She has really cute hair. Alrighty. So time to free this girl who's being held captive in her little bed thing. Hold on. Let's get her blankie. How am I... Oh, on the back, I think? Hold up. Baby shush. Okay. Alrighty. 1 minute. Okay, so we got her free. I think. Nope, not yet. So I have to get this blanket off of her. Okay. Alright. So I've never had one of these kind of dolls before. Oh, that was much easier than Skipper. Oh, okay. Come on. the world am I supposed to get this bed out? I don't understand. Okay. So I've never actually had one of these kind of dolls before. They're like toddlers, I guess. Not too bad. Pretty cute. I've seen these before. She got chunky feet though, I will say. But apparently these things are supposed to blow up. Her stars, I don't know. Her head is hard. Typically the Barbie heads are kind of squishy and soft, but hers is definitely a rock. They call her hard head for a reason. I don't think anybody calls her that.
You never know.
Okay. Ow, the plastic cut me. Oh, make sure to subscribe because my goal is to get to 50 subscribers. We are at 41.
Not bad.
There we go. I love all y'all 41 people out there. So make sure to tell your friends about my channel. Oh, shoot. So we built the bed. I'm definitely going to use the bed. The bed is what really brought me to this playset. I'd like to get playsets. Like, typically when I buy playsets, I don't want everything in it. I just want specific pieces. I mean, I did want the toddler. I did want Skipper. And this playset is one of the few that I actually wanted everything in it, including the bed. It was something that was most important for me to get. So, I don't think this sheet really makes sense for the bed. Really doesn't go. Just match the bed, people. Alright, the cutest bed ever. Go to bed while we unbox your other accessories. And after that, the video will be over. Yeah. Come on out. Come on. Can you be free, please? So, first thing, oh gosh, this plastic is definitely interesting. First thing that I see that draws my attention is this sleeping cat. I've never seen any cat in this sleeping position before, and I like it a lot. She's so cute. Look at her little smush face. Oh my god. And then you can just, I love it. I love it. Okay, so this little girl, while she's sleeping, I'm gonna have to how am I gonna set this up? Alrighty. This little girl is sleeping. And then a teeny cute kitty who I like probably better than the little girl just kind of chills out. How cute is that? Okay. I'll pick that up after the video. Alrighty. Let's move on to the other accessories that I must free from captivity. Okay. Come on, little bear. I've never seen any bear look like this. This is definitely an interesting shaped bear. It's yellow. Then we have a Barbie book. Hold up. Need to go grab something. Alrighty, so I just had to take care of something real quickly. But look at this tiny Dreamtopia book. I don't know if this is a real story or not. Same on the front and the back. Nothing in there. And then lastly, we have toothbrush and some Barbie branded toothpaste. And here's the pink toothbrush. You would have thought that they made the toothbrush for like the toddlers or Chelsea dolls smaller, but no, it's the same as the regular Barbie ones. I don't have any Barbie toothbrush. But yeah, I used to, but I lost them all. But I know they're this exact size. But anyways, that's all for today, guys. Make sure to click the like and subscribe and turn on those post notifications so you are notified when I post a video. I love y'all. Have a great day, night, or evening. Bye.